Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a blur effect on your video using Adobe Premiere. So without further ado, let's get started. So now we're in Adobe Premiere, and the first thing that we are going to do is to create a sequence, and the way to do that is by right click right here and then go to new item and then sequence and then go to digital SLR 1080p and then 1080p 24 frames per second. And here you can name your project. I'll just name it blur effect. And now that we have the sequence, we can just drag our video right here, and then it's gonna ask us to keep existing settings, and we have our video that we are going to do the blur effect on. And I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit first, and we're going to use the effect called Gaussian blur, and we can find it in the effect panel. So we can just write here Gaussian, and then we can find it in the video effect blur and sharpen folder, and then we can just drag the effect and put it on our video. So now our effect has been added to the video, and all we have to do is to go to the effect controls panel right here and look for our effect, which is right here, the Gaussian blur. So here you can play with the level of the blurriness in your video. So you can put it like 60%, and as you can see, like here, or 70. And make sure, guys, you check this box, because if you don't, this black edges will appear if you don't check this repeat edges pixels box. So now they disappeared. And I also want to show you how to keyframe the blur effect. So let's just reset the whole effect, and let's just say that I want to start the blurriness to start from here. So what I can do is just press on the stopwatch right here, and now we created a keyframe, and then we go for a little bit further and then bring it to 50, for example. So now we have the blur effect coming fading in. So you can just have a look at it. And you can play with the speed by just right here, moving the keyframes next to each other. That makes it fast. And if you want to be slower, you can just bring it further away. I usually use this effect to put text on the video because it makes the text looks more clear. So let's just say that I want after a while to come back to the normal. So let's just say that I want to fade out the blur. So let's just say we can start from here, and then I'll just need to add another keyframe, which is on the same level of 50, which you can press just right here on this keyframe, and we created now a keyframe, and then we can go just a little bit further. So to fade out the blur effect, we just bring this to 0, and then we press enter, and now we have the fade out and the fade in of the blur effect in our video. So let's just see how it looks. So this is the fade in, and now we go to the fade out. It looks pretty cool. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I would really appreciate it if you can smash that like button for me, and I will see you in the next video.